Hello everyone, Barry Henderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day. And as always, I'm going to talk about a couple, or maybe even three, but this is the one from the AI that's pretty interesting. The Tattooed Chef, TTCF, and had earnings. Okay, it's an earnings play today. You can see the AI was indicating at 1759 with a big wide stop down here, but 1759 to get in. And this got all the way up to $19 before it pulled back. So that was just tremendous. But as I said in the room, this is something you can watch all day. You know, it pulled back, kind of basing a little bit here, and who knows, maybe later on in the day it keeps running. It's an earnings play, so you know it's going to be active all day long. But from the initial alert of 1759 all the way up to 19, man, that was awesome. I mean, it's almost $1.50 in a very short period of time before it did pull back. I have to talk about, I've been talking in the room about shorting these stocks that release earnings and get thumped down, and they're almost near their all-time low. And IQ, a perfect example. This is one that I took underneath underneath 8. It got all the way down to 7. I mean, that's just a tremendous percentage move. And look how pretty steady it was. You know, a little topping tail there, a little one there. But until we got down to 7, I mean, there was not one green candle that would take you out of the trade. I'm out of the trade completely now, but we're seeing, I mean, another one was STNE. Now, this wasn't near an all-time low, but if you looked underneath, you would see it had a ton of room. From 25 down to 20. You know, if you looked let's just take a look at it. Oh, look at the time frame. You'll see what I'm looking at. Maybe the weekly chart. You see what I'm saying? So right here, when you look left, there was a lot of room for it to keep running down to that 20 level. So another earnings play. And then the other one that we noticed, another earnings play, stock making almost an all-time low, was NNOX. So we've been really, really killing it in the room on looking at these ones that are earnings plays, get thumped down and very close to an all-time low. Now, I mean, this was a lot more choppy than certainly the IQ and the STNE, but the principle being, you know, these ones that are near their all-time lows on earnings, man, I mean, there's nothing to support it. Anyway, want to get back into the room, so if you have any questions for me, here's the email address you can use. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.